We're going to talk about using AI in video. And there's a lot of ways you can use AI. So we're going to really dive into that now. When somebody talks about using AI in video, where does your head go initially?
Don't do it. It's going to suck. It's going to be terrible. Stick to the classics. No, I'm just kidding. I think, like AI has done a lot forever, right? AI has been around, right? We've been using autofocus and cameras for like decades. That's AI, right? Before that, you had to like learn how to like manually focus, and it was a whole crazy job. So AI helped out with that. Like anything else, it's going to help out with a lot of stuff. But you still have to like you said, you still have to have talent. You still have to put things together. You still have to sort of roll your sleeves up and work. But AI is a huge like starting point. So in regards to like writing, right, with ChatGPT, if you're looking for like different ideas and searching stuff, like Wistia has like a really cool prompts to use. And again, they're just going to get you like ballpark. You still have to come up with like what it is. You want to make things unique for you. This product is called Descript, and they're amazing. So it's called Descript.com. They kind of do a little bit of what I was saying. They transcribe the video for you, and now you're actually working off of a Word document. And then you cut in the Word document. You're not on Google, you're on their platform. You make cuts on the copy, and it just automatically cuts your video like that. So like if you go in and you'll have your whole transcript, and then if you just delete words, it's cutting that section of the video out.
Wow.
It's really cool. And then the other thing that they did that was really, really like smart is that they have their own stock footage library. So you're in there, you put like a slash or a double slash between two words, and then that'll tell the program that you now want to show stock footage. And then on their platform, you just type in the type of stock footage you're looking for, and they have a plethora of it. It'll automatically just sort of piece that stuff in there. It's a pretty cool, and then they do the same thing with text slides and whatnot. So there's a lot you can do there. Like I said, for me, I just like to kind of see what's going on in the horizon.
Really, when it comes to AI in video, y'all have seen the bad AI, like the deep fake stuff where it's like, it's just me and like the words aren't the words that are coming out of my mouth in the beginning because they're trying to put something over it and make it sound like me. Like, y'all, that's fake. You can tell it is bad. So there is some stuff like when we say be authentic, like remember the start of the show when we're talking about be yourself, don't be funny if you're not funny. Like all of these things carry into what we're talking about right now. So use AI to help you and support you in your video, but don't use AI to try to give yourself personality or be someone you're not or all of these things, right? Like it's not going to work out for you.